Насаживаешь человека.
Без музыки ж будешь. Ой-ой. Три длинных, три коротких, пять коротких.
Ну что, поехали.
Hello everybody, today we will get stretching our body, and today I will show you some exercises which help you work with your mobility. So let's start. First exercise which we will do, we will get sit in this position and take our breath, and slowly we go in this side, 1, and slowly back, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5, and we will get stay in this pose. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After we slowly get up, and now I will get join my hip, and now I will take sit in this position, take my hands up, and slowly go to back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back, and now slowly go behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly stand, and now we try to take up our leg and fix it in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we will try to move our hip more, and now we will take more hip in this side and move run like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, we will try to take this leg on one leg. Now we slowly move our hip up and down. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we will take this leg more to ourselves and get sit in this position and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and after that we will get right take up leg and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and after we will get take legs in this position. We will take our breath and slowly take turn one side and slowly change. After we will take two legs together, take our breath, slowly breathe out and go down to our legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and don't watch my other videos. So bye bye.
Вот ты знаешь еще что-то играть? Они на вот таких ручек таких прикольных, знаешь, вот эти вот, знаешь, такие вот они тоже прикольно поиграть ножками. Вот ты сидишь тут, выровнять вперед, один, выровнять вперед. Ну, вот ты на стопе сидишь, вот это вот положение. Выровнять, один, выровнять вверх, поставить, выровнять, поставить. Вот там тоже красиво смотрится у тебя нога. Это самое. А то?
Hello everybody, today we will do exercise on stretching lower body, and today I will show you some elements which help you to work with your mobility, your body. So let's start with me. First, as we start to do it's stretching lower body. So we will get 1 and 3, please. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will try to take this leg and we work with open our hips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After we will try to take this leg and working his leg. We take it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, and now we will try to take this step and we will work with 1, 2, 3. Be careful, keep your balance. 4 and 5. Stay in this pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now we will take this step and slowly go for this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. After this, we will try to take 2 legs on this side. We will take our breath. Slowly breathe out, and now I will get turn my body in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one. Right? Take this leg strong. Take our hands up and slowly go for this leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you do like it, follow me and support my channel. So, have a nice day. Bye bye.
3 или
3 уже.
Нет, сейчас 2. Будем.
Как хочешь. Большие видео заходят и...
Я хочу больше одеть.
Давай тогда 3, 2, 2.
2 и 5. 2, 5. И больше 5. Косичка у тебя умничка.
Спасибо. Hello everybody, today we will work with our stretching back. So today I will show some exercises which help you to work with your mobility with your back. So let's start. First what we will start to do, we will take our breath on and slowly breathe out, and we will take the hands behind and open, behind and open, behind and open. After that, we slowly go in this position and take away. We slowly go down, take and up, take together our elbows. And slowly go up and go down on the floor and move up. And last time we will go down and move up. So that's all from today. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you like it, follow me and support my channel. So bye bye.
Супер.
Я забыла, что это короткий. Так. Hello everybody, today we will do some exercise and mobility our body, and today I will show you them. So first what we will do, we take our body on our hands and we start move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that we will take breathe and slowly go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After slowly stand up, take back leg and move our hand and take it in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that we will get in this position and slowly go to our left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and move behind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I hope you do like this video. Follow me, take some likes, subscribe and support my channel, watch my streams, and have a nice day. Bye bye.
Два вот это вот как-то с ножкой.
Hello everybody, today we will do some positions and exercises which help you to work with your mobility of body. So stay with me and we will get started. First exercise which you will do, you will get seat and work with the leg. We slowly take it up and take down, take it up and take down, take it up and take down. After we will get fixed our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that we will take our feet and take in this side. So when you feel that you're comfortable sitting, you can do another exercise. So it be like this. We will take it up, down, up, open hip, up, down, take on ourselves, take like this, open hip, back, open and sit. So after when you do that, you can do this. So take down, slow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it, follow me, and watch my other videos and support my channel. So bye bye.
Слушай, мне так нравится еще время, было такое, это самое, ты на мостике так вперед бежала в экран. Нет? Так. Было прикольно. 2.
Может что-то сделать такое есть такое. Hello everybody, today we're working with stretching our body and working with your mobility. So let's start. First exercise which we will do, we will take on our leg, left leg is strong, and we will take slowly breathe and start to do pushings down to our legs. So 1, 2, stay 1, 2, 3. Take move our body, left hand go on our leg and back leg, push and our knee is strong. We take push, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After we can take and catch this leg and push it more to ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So good work. After we can slowly sit in this speed, and that is good work. So I will take the legs slowly back. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, follow me and support my channel. And if you want a full training, you can see a podcast in my YouTube channel. So bye bye. Hello everybody, today we are working with open mobility and open our hips to sit in the middle split. So stay with me. Okay, first exercise which we will do, we will get up our leg and back. 2, 3, 4, 5. After you must do this exercise on another side, but we will go and move next. So after you can try to take seat in this plane, and now we will get working with legs. Slowly go on elbows and behind hands is strong. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will come back, and now we will working with legs. We will try take it strong and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take the legs together and slowly pull up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly pull up. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it, follow me and support my channel. So bye bye.